Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the remaining question of exercise 9.3, in which question number 18 is find the sum of 8, 18, 8, 8, 8 up to n terms. So for sum 8 plus 8, 8, 8, 8 up to n terms. In this, we first take 8 common. So this is 1 plus 11, 111 up to n terms. So we divide this by 9 and multiply this by 9. So this is the way, and we write 9 as 10 times 1. This is as 100 times 1. This is as 1000 times 1 up to n terms. Here we separate the terms like 10 plus 100 plus 1000 up to n terms. Here we take mass common 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to n terms. So this is the GP. Here in this GP, first term is 10, common ratio is 100 upon 10, which is 10 greater than 1. So formula is A r power n minus 1 upon r minus 1, and sum of this is n. 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to n9 is n. This is 10 n minus 1, the LCM is 9, 9 n upon 9. This is the sum of this GP. If there is 33, then we apply the same way. Take 3 common, divided by 9, and the remaining sum is as it is. If in place of 8 there is other number, use same way. The difference in this answer is, there is if the term start with 3, 3.81, this is 81. If the term start from 5, 5.81. If starts from 7, 7.81. This is the answer of all these questions. In question number 19, find the sum of the product 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. This is the series 128, 32, 8, 2 and 1 by 2. This is the series. Find the sum of the product. This means 2 into 128 plus 4 into 32 plus 8 into 8 plus 16 into 2 plus 32 into 1 by 2. This is the product. So in this AP we take 16 common. 16 is common. So here is 16 is common 8. So this is 2 power 4 plus 16 is common. So this is 16 is common 2 into 2. This is 2 power 3. 16 is common, this is 64, 2 power 2, here 16 is common, 2 power 1, 16 is common, from here 16 is common, there is 1 means 2 power 0. This is the GP, 2 power 4, 2 power 3, 2 power 2, 1, and this is 2 power 0, which is 1. This is the AP. Here we write it as 1 also. So in this GP, the first term is to the power 4 and the common ratio is, in this GP, the first term is 2 power 4, common ratio is 2 power 3 upon 2 power 4, which is 1 upon 2, less than 1. So in this GP, the sum is A is 2 power 4, 1 means R. Here n is 5 upon 1 means R. This is 16. 2 power 4 is also 16. When we solve this is 132 and this is 1 upon 2. So this is 16 into 16. This is 32 means 1 is 31 upon 32 into 2. So this is 16 to cancel out 6. 84, 96 is the sum of this GP. So So sum of the products of this GP is 496. In the next question, question number 20, show that the product of the corresponding terms of sequence, this is AR square, AR n minus 1, and the other sequence is AR cube, and AR n minus 1 form AG. Find the combination. Here we multiply these terms. So we find first the product A into A R plus R square R cube, and the last one is A R n minus 1 R n minus 1. So when we find this is an GP or not, first we find the common ratio. Common ratio is A2 by A1. This is the common ratio. These are cancelled out. So R into R, when we find R2, A R square R cube. Here R square. This is AR square. So this is AR square. Here AR square. A is cancelled out. A is cancelled out. This cancel out this. So this is R into R. This is R1 is equal to R2. So it forms AGP. This is the answer, and the common ratio is R into R. Here in the next sum, the statement is in sum number 21, the statement is the first and the last term of APR. The first and the last term of GP, the sum is 21 is find 4 numbers of GP in which the third term is greater than the first term by 9, and the second term is greater than the fourth term by 18. This is the question. So the third term is A3 is A plus 9, A3 is AR square, A plus 9. This is the question number 1. And second term A2 is A4 plus 18. A2 is AR, A4 is AR cube plus 18. This is the question number 2. Here AR square means A is equal to 9. Take A common. R square means 1 is equal to 9. This is the question 3rd. Here AR means AR cube equals to 18. Take AR common. 1 means R square equals to 18. 4th. Divide these two questions. AR 1 means AR square. R square means 1. This is 18 upon 9. So in this 9 to is 18. This A is cancelled out, and when we take common, this is R. 1 means R square. We take means is common. 1 means R square. 2. This cancel out. So R is equal to means 2. When we put the value of R in question number 1, means 2 whole square, A plus 9. So this is 4A, means A equals to 9, 3A equals to 9, A is equal to 3. This is the first term, A is equal to 3, and the common ratio is means 2. So first number is 3, second is AR, means 6, third is AR square, means 2 whole square. This is 4, 4, 3, 12, AR 4, 3 into means 2 whole cube. This is 24. These are the 4 terms of GP.